We have question number 6. M minus m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Here you can see there is a symbol minus. If you get terms like this where you can see m is positive and 2 is negative, you must do one thing here, make a bracket, okay, so that you will not be confused. Now we have to get the LCM of these terms. So you know what LCM of 2 and 1 is? 2. So this will be what? 2m, because when 1 divided 2 it comes 2. So 2m minus, and m minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. And I forget to take it here, so this is what? 2m, and now open the bracket, minus m plus 1 upon 2. Here when you open the bracket and if you get negative sign outside, what you can do, you have to change sign inside, and here m was positive, now it is negative, and plus is positive. You can see it was negative, and is equal to 3 minus, this is 3 minus, and here m minus 2 upon 3. Now this thing can be written as 3 minus, this is minus m, and this becomes plus 2 upon 3. Now we go ahead, it is what? M plus 1 upon 2 is equal to what? This is 5 minus m upon 3. Now we have to multiply by the multiple of these two numbers, and the multiple of these two numbers is, the first multiple is 6. So multiply these terms by 6, you will get 6 into m plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 into 5 minus m upon 3. 2 3 is 6 and 3 2 is 6. So we have here 3 multiplies 3m, 3 multiplies m, so we will get 3m plus 3 is equal to, here it is 10 minus 2m. Again transpose, you know what, you can see here this equation is now simplified. Transpose this minus 2m to left hand side and you will get 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3, and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we have here 3m plus 2m becomes 5m, and 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, so m is equal to 7 upon 5. This is your answer. Here this is also a good question. Question number 9. 3 is multiplying 5z minus 7 minus 2 is multiplying 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 8z minus 13 minus 17. So what to do? First multiply, just simplify all the groups, all the brackets. You have to multiply by the numbers which are given outside. So multiply 3 to 5z, you will get 3 5 the 15 z, and minus 3 7 the 21, and here 2 9 9 the 18, this z, and when 2 multiplies in 11, this we will get. Keep one thing in your mind here, while multiplying by minus 2, here you are not multiplying by 2, you are actually multiplying by minus 2. And when you multiply by a negative integer, just keep one thing in your mind, you have to change the sign too. Okay, so what is the basic system of this? So keep this negative sign outside, multiply by 2 inside, 2 9 ja 18, and this is z, and it is here negative, so write it here, 2 11 ja 22, and go ahead, is equal to what? Multiply this, 4 8 ja 30, 2z minus 52 and minus 17. Now again it is 15z minus 21, and open this bracket, this will be 18z and plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 52 this is 2 minus 17. Now do one thing, you can see these are the like terms which have the same variables. Terms which have the same variables are called like terms. This is 50 to not z, okay, do not get confused. Now we have three like terms, so transpose all three terms aside. So this is 15z minus 18z, and you can see here it is 32z. So transpose is 32z to left hand side, and that will be minus 32z is equal to, it is minus 52 minus 17, and here you can see this is minus 21 and 22, transpose both. So 21 becomes plus 21 and plus 22 becomes minus 22. Now add all these like terms. This is 15z minus 18, add this 18 and 32, you will get 50z is equal to, now add this all, you will get this is 9, this is 6 and negative and plus, this is minus 1, okay, so that will be 70 but negative sign. Now go ahead, it is minus 35z is equal to minus 70, and this time we have to divide both the terms by minus 35 to get here z, okay, because this 35 can be eliminated by minus 35. So dividing both sides by minus 35, we get minus 35 z upon minus 35 is equals minus 70, and here result is this is minus 35, again dividing here, and we have the result, this minus can cancel this minus, and 35 divides 70, the quotient is 2, so we have the answer 2. Our next question is question number 10 is our next question. 0.25 is multiplying 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So we have two methods of solving these questions. First is simply multiply these numbers, and second is that try to eliminate this decimal. And how to do this? Multiply by 100 and divide by 100, or multiply both the sides by 100, that will give you the result. So right here, multiplying, this is multiplying by 100, both the terms are multiplying, both the terms both the sides we get what we get. When you multiply this 0.25 by 100, you will get 100 into 0.25 and into 4f. Here nothing is written, it means it is multiplying, and minus 3 is equal to, here it is 100 into 0.05 and into 10f minus 9, and we go, when you multiply this 0.25 by 100, you will get 25, it is 4f minus 3 is equal to, when you multiply this you will get 5 into, check your answer, it will get 5 and 9. Now go ahead, multiply these numbers inside, you will get 25 into 4, that becomes 100f minus 75 is equal to 5 10 are 50f and minus 45. These are the like terms, so keep aside. Transpose this 50f to left hand side, so 100f minus 50f, and see it is minus 45 here, which is rest, and this 75 you have to transpose here, but this will be what, 75 but with positive sign. Here it is 50f, and here it is 30. I missed. Okay, now divide both the terms by, so first here write transposing. You have to write here transpose something like this, so transposing, what to transpose? Transposing this minus 70 to RHS and minus 50 and plus 50 to 50f to LHS. You get this. And here dividing both sides by 50 and see the result. So when you divide both the sides by 50, 30 upon 50, and here it gives you f is equal to 3 upon 5, or you can write it 0.6, and this is your answer. Here this is your answer, 3 upon 5 or 0.6.